Likawan.
Hi, Nadine.
Hi!
Good afternoon. Congratulations dun sa bago mong series. Ito na nakakatuwa lang na, syempre from Nadine na noong 2010 ba, tama ba, Pop Girls, up to now.
Yeah.
Parang ang laki ng pinagbago mo, especially sa maturity and kung paano mo hina-handle lahat, especially yung parang love mo sa nature, etc. ganyan. Sa palagay mo, Nadine, ano yung pinakamalaking nangyari from the past na dahilan para maging ikaw yung Nadine ngayon na mas loving sa nature, basta overall?
I think seeing all the different injustices that are existing, or at least injustices sa environment, sa tao, sa mga hayop, ganyan, in general, parang ang hirap lang na makita mo yung mga ganun, tapos wala kang ginagawa. Especially if you know that, you have the platform to speak up, you have the platform to inspire change, or to at least, put that idea into people's mind and to kind of, parang ma-realize nila na, oo nga, no, bakit nga ganon. Hindi naman din siya, I would say na hindi siya overnight na nangyari sa akin. Parang gradually din po siya. It really started when I was younger. Pag uuwi ako from school, nagpupulot ako ng wrappers ng candy. I didn't really understood why. Basta ang alam ko lang is masama yung magtapon ng basura. Dapat talaga mapunta siya sa basurahan. And I was saying din kanina na parang naalala ko na nung may malaking puno ng mangga sa bakanting lote sa tabi ng bahay namin. Nalungkot ako ng gusto. And so I think din siya, parang it was a long time coming din. Di rin naman siya overnight. But yun nga po, just to cut it short, it's really mahirap makakita ng injustices and tapos wala kang gagawin about it.
And balik tayo sa pagiging businesswoman mo. How do your businesses and endorsements fit into your long-term career?
Well, yung businesses naman po kasi, I would say that at least the ventures or the businesses that I want to invest in are siguro things din naman na applicable, not just in my daily life, but at least, have the same values that I have. So, I mentioned D-Husk earlier, which is like a plant-based milk brand company. And it's really more of being proud na local and also giving back to the farmers. Meron din naman po akong venture that's more on mental health, which is, mind you, it's a mental health platform. I've actually been with them since the pandemic. So it's really important for me that the businesses that I put my money in, or at least that I put my time and that I invest in, are very close to my heart and that are things that I really believe in.
Thank you, Nadine.
Thank you.
Congratulations on that.
Thank you.
Thank you so much.